back. Now, in this video, we're going to look at WhatsApp Business. And this is a sign of the application. Now, WhatsApp Business is considered to be a subsidiary of Facebook. So I highly recommend that you read the policies and condition of using this platform before engaging. This platform is mainly used for connecting your business to the world. You have options like having a catalog, timing, links, pricings to items. This platform is more advanced than the normal WhatsApp that you have for chatting with family and friends on your phone. So let's go over to this WhatsApp Business, which I highly recommend that you use, providing that you read the terms and conditions. So this is it. This is how it looks inside. Now, on opening the platform, this area will be empty. You can then add your friends, your contacts, your business partners on this section. Okay. Now, beneath the section WhatsApp app, you'll have chats, status, then you'll have calls. Now, chats would go back to the conversations that you have started with various people through the application. For status, you'll be able to see what other people are having on their profile setting, which is important. Some people may vary the content, their catalog on their platform if you're speaking to another business owner. Beneath where you have this green sign, here you can take a picture, you can edit this, and so forth for your status. If you want to refresh, find numbers that you have stored on your phone in order to add them to a group, I highly recommend that you come to this button here. You can tap on it, and then you can add people accordingly to any chat that you wish to commence. And the last section where we have calls, this shows the calls that you have done or you will do in the future to different counterparts. Now, if we were to go up to the three dots at the top, this will take you to the setting menu of the application. Now, here we have all these different options. We have business tools, we have new group, new broadcast, labels, linked devices, start message, settings. All these options are similar to the ordinary WhatsApp except for the first one. This has been added. So say that we were to click on the business tools, you'll be taken over to this platform where you'll have the option of a business profile. You can put the timing, the address of your business. Say, for example, your name is Marlon McLeod. You can then say what your business is about, consultation. These are all options from WhatsApp Business. Again, WhatsApp is a subsidiary of Facebook. Kindly read the terms and conditions because I have had a WhatsApp Business account before and it was terminated due to certain issues that had come up during my usage of the application. Now here you're going to put the education consultant. Further down you can put the address. Here you can put the hours that you'll be working, the hours that you want people to send you information. Here you can put your email address. Here you can put your website. When anyone comes over to this application, your WhatsApp Business, they'll get access to all of this and they will have a holistic information platform of what your business is about, how to contact you, what's your email, etc. Further down, you can put your email address again, another website, sorry. Now here, this is where it gets good. Here you can put pictures of your catalog, different pictures, different pricings of items that you're promoting throughout the internet. Further down, you can put like the times that you want people to message. Here, further down, this would be the number that you can be contacted by. Now let me go up. Here we can go and we can edit all of this here. Just show you that. We can edit, put a different picture and so forth. Just go back. This is amazing, you know. Now here we have the catalog where we can go deeper. We can put images of pictures, items, you know, cats, books, as you wish here. Then you can put different pricing according to your requirements. When we go further down to the await message, now this allows a message to be sent automatically on your behalf. If you do not want people to contact you at a specific time or you're offline, you can hit this option here where you'll get send away message, automatically reply with a message when you're away. So they'll get a message, for example, thank you for contacting me. I'm currently busy doing other business endeavors. So kindly leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can edit the information here. So I'm just going to say, okay, leave that as is. Then you can take schedule, always send, recipients. Okay, you can touch this and you have the option of choosing who receives your away message. You can say everyone in your address book, everyone except, only sent to blah, blah, blah. So the options are great. Then you're going to click save. Let me just go back. Now, if you want a quick message, you can come here and tap and you can send a quick message based on your business requirements. Let's go further down. You can put labels, chats, new customers, orders, pending payments. All these options are available for you with the WhatsApp Business application. If you go further down, you'll have here short links to chat. Yeah, so if you have a group meeting on this application, you can have a link to that group so you can converse easier and quicker with your clients through the application. Also, you can come down to the bottom and have your Facebook and Instagram accounts linked with the contact information of your friends on these platforms. So this is a platform. I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief tutorial, brief walkthrough. If you have any questions for me, I'm here to help you. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit on notification icon so you do not miss the content which I upload on this platform. Furthermore, if you have benefited from the video, please write below value. If you did not, tell me why you did not. Give me your recommendations below in the comments section. Thank you for your undivided attention and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and please watch these other videos. Bye.